This is quite literally the simplest way to make money online, and I'm going to give you the exact step-by-step blueprint that you can use to get this side hustle started and make your first $10,000 with it. Now, essentially what it is you are paid to record 30-second faceless video reviews of products that sell on Amazon. It's made me nearly 35 grand in the last year, and I expect in 2024 for it to make me over 60K. And the crazy part is you don't have to have a massive audience, because anyone who is shopping on Amazon will see your video because all of your videos go on the Amazon product page. Let's get into the step-by-step tutorial so you can start making thousands of dollars in commission with this program. And as always, if you got value, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. This is the complete breakdown on how you can get started and scale the Amazon influencer program and make your first 10K in commissions. Now, I'm going to go through a couple commonly asked questions to help you understand this program. So the first thing is, what is the Amazon influencer program? It's a simple program where you are paid to record simple product reviews. You can be faceless in these videos. You don't have to show your face whatsoever. That's the unique part about the Amazon influencer program, is you don't actually have to be in the videos to make money. If we're going to take a look at my storefront in a second, but it's going to show you that 99% of my videos, I am not in the video. The only time I'm ever in the video is if it's a brand deal, and then brands will actually reach out to you and offer you money for a video review. So that's another stream of income that works really well. I know people making hundreds of dollars, if not thousands a month from brand deals, and I've definitely partaken in that. But every time a customer watches your video, you will earn commission. And these videos go on the Amazon product page. So essentially, if you are shopping, you're going to see the video on the product page, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. But the next commonly asked question is, do you have to buy the products from Amazon? You do not have to buy any of these products from Amazon. They just have to sell on Amazon, which is the really cool part. You could buy it from Wayfair, Target, Walmart, and review it for Amazon. So that's a commonly asked question. How much time does it take? Not a lot of time at all. So you're definitely surprised there. You probably think this would take hours of your time, but I work about 3 to 4 hours a month and make 4K in commissions, which is insane. $1,000 an hour right there. So it's not a lot of time effort required at all. Do you need to be in the videos? Like I said, you can do this faceless, and that's completely fine. You'll still make money. And the next thing is, do you need fancy edits? So you do not need any fancy edits. Every single video I have, which you're going to see in a minute, is unedited and completely recorded with my iPhone, which is insane that really would make you money, because if you're trying to go like the TikTok creator route and like make money that way, you're going to have really good edits and stuff like that, really good hooks. You don't have to really know how to make content to make money with this program. So what will you need to start? The 4 things you'll need is an iPhone, not much capital at all, 10 to 15 minutes a day, and then products to review. Obviously, we're going to go into a second where you can find these products to review, but most of them are in your home. I know a lot of you guys probably shop on Amazon, and you probably have 100 to 200 products lying around in your home. So let's get into the storefront aspect. So this is what my storefront looks like. As you can see, bunch of product videos. They're all about 30 to a minute long, and all of them are very simple. All I'm doing is talking about the product, what I like, what I don't like, and then leaving a recommendation. Very simple structure, works really well, and essentially is what will make you a ton of money. So like, this is a karaoke review right here. So I'm just talking about the product and like showing the accessories, and then I'm giving a recommendation. It's super, super simple. Took me a minute to do. Now, some of them might take you 30 seconds to do, but that's what making 3 to 4K a month from this program essentially looks like. And it's absolutely insane. Probably the easiest way to make money I've ever seen. And now, how do I earn commission? So customers has to click on the top or bottom carousel. So what this looks like is, if you go onto this listing right here, you're going to see this top carousel has videos for the product. So there's about Actually, Amazon has been experimenting. So now there's 20 videos on every listing, which is actually amazing because that means more money for us. Obviously, you want your video to be pushed to the top. Like here, my video has been pushed to the top, which is a good sign. And this product will probably make me a lot of money. So you can see the brand videos right here, and then my videos right below it. And then a customer just has to click on this video. So all they have to do is watch at least half of the video for you to earn commission. Very simple. And then you obviously have a lot of opportunity to make commission. And then the second thing is on the bottom, there's a lower carousel where customers can watch your video. And essentially, if they watch it and buy that product, you're going to earn commission. So this is the lower carousel. And I am not on the lower carousel, but I'm on the upper carousel. As you can see, there's about like 6 or 7 videos here on the lower carousel. So if a customer watches this video and buys the product, then you're going to make commission that way. And this is another product here too. Same thing. There's not a lot of competition on this one. This is a good example of a really good thing to review because there's no competition. I'm the only video other than the brand here. So I'm the only actual genuine customer leaving a review of this product. And if you scroll down to the bottom, there might be a lower carousel. Let's take a look. So there actually is a lower carousel. It's not, I don't think it's, well, it is technically not full. I'm not there. So that's an example of the lower carousel. But so many ways to make money. So all the customer has to do is click on that video and watch it halfway through, and then you earn commission. So you're earning 1 to 5% commission. And this is the commission statement right here. So you can see luxury beauty is 5%, furniture is 4%. You kind of want to stay from this like 2% and up because that's where you're going to make a lot of money. But yeah, so really good opportunity to earn lots of commission in these categories. And I would definitely review everything in your home, regardless of the commission bracket. Even if a television sells and it's $300, you get $3 on one sale. So totally worth it. So this is the link to sign up right here. You sign up and then you apply under your email that matches your social media account. So let's say you're going with an Instagram account. You want to apply with that email of the same Amazon account, and it's very simple to do. So you can click use existing customer account or you can create a new one. And then you're just going to walk through the sign up process. They're going to ask you some questions. They're going to say, what's your social? If you're going the individual route, if you're going an LLC route, they'll ask an EIN. And then you're going to have to give them your information and stuff like that. And then you'll be able to open that account. And it's going to ask you which social media do you want to choose. So you're going to choose the strongest account you have. If it's Instagram, definitely want to choose Instagram. And the next thing we're going to break down is, can I get into the program without being a massive influencer? So 100%. So even if you don't have the required following, which is a minimum around 1,000, they say, but I typically see people get approved with 2,500 to 5,000. There is ways to artificially boost your following. So a website that is great for that is called Buzzoid. So this is Buzzoid, and you can buy likes, followers, and views and inflate your following that way. So really cool, and that's a way that you can kind of get yourself past that follower requirement. If you're worried that you only have 500 followers and can't get in, keep getting rejected, try Buzzoid, probably would work. Next thing is, how do I scale it? So there's multiple ways to scale it, and we talk about more ways inside of our free community. If you want to join that free community, the link is in the description. Go ahead and check that out. We got over 130 members in our first few weeks, so it's a great community growing there to learn more about the Amazon Influencer Program. But how do you scale it? So you got your home first. First way to go, get your first 200 videos from your house, then ask friends and family. That will probably get you another few hundred reviews. And if you're at around 500 reviews, you should be making around 1,000 plus a month at that point, which can pay a lot of your guys' rent, bills. After you've done that, the next way to scale it is Airbnbs. So you can go to Airbnbs and then you can just kind of message Airbnb owners and ask them for like a reduced rate for 2 hours. That's usually what we do. And then the next thing is brands give you free products, which I touched on in a minute, but they'll pay you to leave them reviews and free products, which will also earn you commission. Some of these free products have been making me a lot of money, probably hundreds of dollars. So really cool. Things to avoid with the Amazon Influencer Program. You do not want to review products in stores. Like, don't go to Walmart and leave video reviews in the store. You're going to get banned 100%. And you don't want to review the products you sell. If you sell on Amazon, do not review anything that you sell currently or have sold in the past. That will get you banned. You also want to stay away from giving claims or medical advice, typical things. You can't guarantee results. You can't be like, oh, this helped me through surgery.
Stuff like that will get you not banned, but it will get your videos rejected. And those are just the general things to avoid with this program. And if you want to learn more about how to scale your commissions, we have a free community. So as you can see, this is the free community right here. We got 140 plus members here, and we have tons of free resources. We have a free masterclass, free guide, a 25-page free UGC guide in the beginner resources here. As you can see, here's a free masterclass training, free 25-page UGC guide, and then the Amazon influencer free guide in there as well. So tons of free resources in there, and it's going to help you make your first 1,000 in commissions. So definitely click the link in the description to join that free community. And I hope you guys got some value from this video and learned a thing or two about the Amazon influencer program so you can get started making money with the easiest side hustle I've ever seen in my life, guys. So see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.